So this is the Keter Cubebox, 208 litres outdoor storage box that we got from Bunnings. We're using it to store some furniture cushions in there. Now I've already made one of these up earlier and there was one or two things that I learned from that along the way. So this is going to be a shorter version using the things that I've learned. Okay, let's get into it. As usual, Ruby will help us along. So we should have the same things inside, the instruction manual. Bottom, side, top, etc. Hinges. And I thought these were feet in the first one that I did. In actual fact they're not, they're strengtheners for the top. I'll show you those when we get to it. So there is a piece, looks like two pieces joined together. In fact it is two pieces joined together. So this goes on the bottom first and it goes flat side up. That's the easiest way to do it, is the flat side up. Now, the pieces are marked with a code on. Sometimes they're a little bit difficult to see. On this one, DW2 is stamped on there. They show you which pieces those are in the manual, so fairly simple to do those. Okay, so the pieces we put on here now are the DW1. These just click in place nicely here. Hello Ruby, you helping? Again, very simple. Click in place. Now the DW2s, the way to get this is have the DW2 stamp towards you and the two rows of compartment type away, they go at the open end. And this just clicks into place. That was a little bit stiff, but fits into place just like that. The second DW2 goes in the same way. You can line that up. There's a little hole, little slot and a peg. You line those up at the front. They go in fairly easily. This bag contains the strengtheners. These ones just pop in here now. They aren't all the same, so you need to work out which one goes where. they go on, just like that. Now, one thing I forgot to bring with me this time was a screwdriver. I'll go and get a screwdriver and I'll be right back. Okay, screwdriver, Phillips head. I did think about having a power one, but this is made of plastic. If you overscrew the screws into the plastic, there's a danger of stripping it, whereas with a normal everyday screwdriver you can feel when you've tightened them enough. Excuse me, Ruby, let's have the lid. Now these are the hinges, these are both the same. Can go on either way, and a packet of screws. It's fairly obvious on the lid where they go. There are screw holes that they match up to. So just screw those in. So those are the hinges fastened onto the lid. Now, these fasten onto the inside, and there are 2 screws here, 2 screws here, 2 screws here, 2 screws here. So you can put the lid on this way or that way. Makes no difference as far as the box is concerned. But when I screw it on, it looks like there is a bit of stress on some of these plastic where the screw goes in. So I suspect over time they may eventually break. So it's useful that the screw's on the other side, that you can just put the lid on the other side. And that's it all done. The Keter Cubebox. Now, it shows a picture of the box of somebody putting some drinks, some food on. I think quite clearly you can see it will take that. It also shows somebody sitting on it. Now I weigh about 80 kilos. Let's see how it goes. A little bit of flex in it. Nothing that's getting me worried. I think quite easily this will hold somebody of my size and a little bit more. I'm very happy with these boxes. 2 of these will hold all the cushions for our outdoor furniture. Well, that is the Keter Cubebox. I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.